So today I am struggling with severe perfectionism. I am trying to create a new video to put out on YouTube. I'm trying to create new content, but it seems like every idea that I come up with is not good enough and I can't get anything done. So in this video, I'll show you 3 ways to beat perfectionism so you can beat it too. So I've been trying all day to come up with some new ideas, and actually I got a list of ideas for new videos, but it seems like none of them is good enough, or at least in my head, because I'm starting to think about the result more than the process of making videos, which is what I enjoy doing, what I love doing. And instead, I start thinking about the result. Is this good enough? Is the quality good enough? Do I look okay? Will I get any likes, views, any new subscribers? And if not, the video is a failure. Of course, this is all just going on inside my head. So how do I beat it? Step number 1, and this is a tip that I got from Gary Vee, and that is to document instead of creating. Instead of me sitting around trying to create some new content, instead I am just documenting what I'm going through today. That I can't get anything done because I am so caught up with thinking about the result and this perfectionism and overthinking going on. So this is the first step to beating it, thinking of it as documenting the process instead of thinking about creating content. Step number 2 is to think of this as, for me, a way to learn more about video creation and getting better at it, instead of thinking that it's a finished result in the sense that the video has to be perfect or really, really good. So instead, thinking of it as a learning experience where I'm just trying to make better videos, learning along the way. And step number 3 is to always create value. Instead of me just sharing my experience with perfectionism and overthinking and inaction, I also share 3 ways in how I beat perfectionism and get out of inaction so that you can do the same in your life. So hopefully this was as useful to you as it was for me, and I'll see you in the next one.